Hi, welcome to Cake Craft City, and today we're going to be making mermaid cupcakes. So here's what we need to make the mermaid cupcakes. So we've got 6 cupcakes, some buttercream icing that we've actually coloured purple, some metallic paints from the Rainbow Dust range. We've got the cerise, the purple, the baby blue and also silver. 2 mermaid moulds from Cake Craft City and some fondant icing, cutter and icing nozzle. Okay, so the first thing that we're going to do is actually make the mermaid toppers. So we've got our 2 moulds from Cake Craft City, and what we're going to do is take some white fondant icing. Now this is just normal fondant icing, it's not treated with anything. Just need it a little bit. Okay. Lightly dust, take off any excess with some corn flour. Push the icing into the mould. Now gently on the back of the mould, and then simply pull the mould away. As you can see, we have a nice indentation, and all what we're going to do is cut, and there you have it. That's one topper. We're going to do the same with the mermaid sitting on the rock mould. Once again, lightly dust with corn flour, tap out any excess, gently push in the fondant, pour it nicely. Once again, turn it over and pull the mould away. Cut round with your cutter. So now we've got all our 6 toppers, we'll get started colouring them with the airbrush. I've already diluted the paints with some water, so it's 4:1 ratio, and that's on the purple, the cerise and the baby blue. So let's get started. Okay. Always have some kitchen towel and test the colour on there first. That's the blue done. Let's start with the pink. Now, because we're going from light colour to light colour, we don't have to clean out thoroughly the airbrush, so we can just go on to the next colour, and because we're blending. Test it out till you get the cerise coming through. That's come through nicely, and let's start on the mermaid sitting on the rock. There we go. There we go. Pull that through, and then onto the last colour, which is the purple. And as you can see, you don't use a lot of paint when you're actually airbrushing these toppers. And once again, pull it through till you see the purple coming through and not the pink. And finally, it's the purple coming through, and then we do the purple. So now our toppers are dry, we're going to take the light silver metallic paint and we're going to highlight some parts of the mermaid's tail, some scales, and really bring it out. So what you're doing is just randomly picking up little bits within the pattern of the fish scales on the mermaid's tail. So that's our toppers all nicely decorated with the airbrush in the metallic paints and highlighted with the light silver. Now what we're going to do is put them all together. So we've already filled our icing bag with the purple buttercream. If you want to see our top tip on how to fill the icing bag with 2 hands free, then click on the link above. So we're just going to put a little swirl on there and then grab your top one, pop it on there. So there you go, that's our mermaid tail. And the mermaid sitting on the rock. All the items used in today's video can be found on the links below. I'm Lee from Cake Craft City. Thanks for watching today's video. Until next time, goodbye.